What's up YouTube? Welcome to this video. So the topic today is how can we host a simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript website on IIS Manager or IIS server. So let us begin. In my D drive, I will create a new folder and open this in Visual Code. Let's create. So it's not necessary that you name them the same way, but it's important to name your main page as index.html. So the basic HTML, let's create an h1 tag and a para with random text. In the style, we can say HTML and body should have a background color of light blue. In the script, we will just write alert that JS is working. We have to give the references of these file inside index. So link the CSS file, then when the body finishes, just before that, we will link our script as script.js. So the work here is complete and I have created this folder inside my D drive because if I have created it inside here on the desktop, then sometimes the IIS does problems. So let's open the IIS manager and first of all, let's create a pool. My web, you will select no manage code and OK. Then in the default website, add an application and we can change the name, but let's just keep the same name. My web, select your pool and then select the folder and click OK. When you browse the website, you can see that the website is working. So, one more thing is that the index.html that we named plays an important role in hosting the website. So, if you select your website and go to default document, you can see that these are the names that IIS accepts as the main page. You can remove or add new names that IIS will understand as basic page. So if we need to our basic uh, so if we need our main page main.html, now main.html will work. So let's change the name of this to main.html and let us also restart the server. Now if we refresh, you can see that the website is still working. So the main page is also working. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.